It's Thursday, March 20th. Let's take a look at what's going on with the weather. We're going to focus on New England too, but let's take a look nationally. Remember all this severe weather last Saturday? Well, now you have freeze warnings and frost advisories. This is going to be for Friday morning, which is really unfortunate to those who are still without power as of this moment from those storms or without a house. And unfortunately, the Storm Prediction Center, yes, a division of NOAA, is still talking about severe weather for Sunday throughout the southeastern United States. They have been locked into this for a few days now. Not saying it's going to be the same as Saturday, but just remember how Saturday's forecast started. Clearly, there's something to pay attention to here. As for what's going on in New England, we do have some colder temperatures moving in and possibly, for some locations, some of that S word coming back. Climate Prediction Center, yes, a division of NOAA, showing that for the next 2 weeks, it's going to be a little bit cooler here in New England. We still have a couple more days of temperatures up in the 50s and 60s, well above average, but then things are going to be falling a little bit more on the cooler side. And so if we look for like Manchester, New Hampshire, this lowest line, 31 and 48, 31, 51, right? So we're going to be up in those upper 40s, low 50s for our high. The weather's about to get a little bit more unsettled in New England and also cooler. And do you guys even know why? Want to guess? The jet stream. So right now the jet exiting to our north and to our west, which is why it's been so warm here, and it will continue to do so. But as we fast forward through here, I just want you to see how we're starting to get it exiting and even having it down below us. When it's below us is when it's going to be colder, but that jet is exiting right over New England for a while. So that's going to be bringing us the unsettled weather, and when it's south of us, it's definitely going to be on the cooler side. All of these lovely forecasts, once again, brought to you by NOAA. So as we fast forward and play through here, we can see the rain that's going to be coming through for Friday, and it is going to be mostly rain. We might see some snow on the backside of it in higher elevations, and that's totally fine. We're going to go ahead and fast forward through. Tail of a low comes through, possibly some snow showers for the North Country on Sunday. Okay, fine. So then we start to see the next low start to move in. So here we go on Monday. This could potentially be some snow once again for the northern halves of New England, rain for the southern parts of New England. We're going to go ahead and keep playing through, and it's just once again, oh look, another low, shocking. This one probably coming through around Thursday-ish. And once again, it's just the placement of that jet that's going to allow this to happen. That one's going to go south of us, so that'll be fun if it plays out, but we're already looking a week and a half out, so it'll be interesting to keep an eye on. I'm guessing it's just going to be kind of one little rainy snowstorm thing after another. Which is exactly what New England springtime does, right? Like, we're used to the fluctuations. Not seeing any big snowfall forecast totals in any of this. Once you get into the purples where we're looking at 6 inches plus, we're looking at like dustings to a couple inches in all of these. And with the high solar angle, with how warm the ground has been getting and stuff like that, these types of snows, they're just not going to hang around long if we end up getting any. So there's a quick summary. Make sure you follow if you want to understand what the forecast is going to be for this summer, because we are going to be talking about that very soon.